Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Kajabi. This is a powerful way to gather feedback from your audience, assess their knowledge, or collect valuable insights that can help you tailor your content and offerings more effectively. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to your Kajabi login page. Go ahead and sign in with your credentials to access your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to build your survey. Now look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Contacts, and this will expand to reveal several additional options. From these expanded options, select Assessments. This is where Kajabi houses all your surveys, quizzes, and assessment tools. You'll now be on the Assessments page, which displays a list of all the assessments and quizzes you've created in your Kajabi account. To start building your new survey, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on plus New Assessment. This button initiates the creation process. A new assessment page will appear, prompting you to enter a title and description for your survey. Take a moment to give your assessment a clear descriptive title that reflects its purpose and add a brief description if needed. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to proceed. After saving, you'll be directed to your assessment details page. Here, look at the top side menu where you'll see an option labeled Edit Questions. Click on it to begin adding the actual questions to your survey. On the Edit Questions page, you'll notice an Add Question button on the top left of your screen. Click this button and you'll be presented with 5 assessment options: multiple choice, paragraph, file upload, multiple selection, and section. For this tutorial, we'll be using the multiple choice type, which is perfect for straightforward survey questions with predefined answers. Once you've selected multiple choice, you'll see a form where you can add your question in the text field. Type in your question, then click on Add Answers to create the choice options you want respondents to select from. You can add as many answer choices as you need. When you're satisfied with your question and answers, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a survey on Kajabi that you can now share with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.